triple cheeseburger.
Nice.
It's better than McDonald's. Yeah, way better. Let's go get In-N-Out burger in my first time. Hi, good. How are you? I'm gonna order 5 burgers. One is double protein style master fried.
Okay. With onion?
No, that's alright.
Okay.
And animal style. So animal size onion.
Yeah.
Onion. Okay, got it.
They want an animal style and protein style? I think it's animal style and protein.
Is that possible? Like
Yeah, you can do animal style. You can do a double animal and protein.
okay, okay. And also 3 double master fry, all of them animal style.
Okay.
And add chili.
Add chili.
Yep. And last one triple cheeseburger and animal style.
Okay.
That'll be all.
Alright. Any fries or drinks?
Drinks or fries. Yeah, can I have a fries, please?
Just one?
Just one.
No drinks?
No drinks.
Do you want it from here?
I know too.
It's going to be 3808, please. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was my first time ordering In-N-Out, so I don't know what's going on. My cousin just asked me to order, so I don't know what that is.
I just wanted to know the cost here.
Yeah. どれがどれかわかんない。I got a hat. なんかもらった。Triple cheeseburger. So this is a secret menu, triple cheeseburger. More. My cousin ordered protein style, which is like no buns, only vegetable. It's wrapped with lettuce. I ordered like 5 burgers and 1 fries, on total like $35, I guess. It's pretty cheap. What you looking at?
Manna. Can you say Manna? Can you say Manna? Manna. Manna.
My opinion, it's much better than McDonald's. Yeah, way better.